Most people think starting a real business takes big money, big space, and big risk. That's not true. Right now, there are small machines, some that fit on a desk, quietly producing real products, real brands, and real income. Today, I'm revealing 17 insanely powerful machines you can order on Amazon. Beginner-friendly, compact, and capable of making sellable products the same day you unbox them. Whether you want to customize items, launch a food brand, create art, or start a micro factory, there is something in this list that can start making you money this week. You can get all machines in the description. Let's dive in. Number 1. A desktop 3D printer designed for liquid deposition modeling. This machine prints clay, ceramic slurry, and red porcelain at sizes up to 10 by 10 by 10.2 inches, using an electric plunger system instead of noisy air compressors. The result is smooth, precise extrusion with consistent pressure. It allows you to create professional vases, sculptures, and functional ceramic prototypes with intricate, non-symmetrical designs that are nearly impossible to shape by hand. That makes it ideal for artists, boutique studios, and design firms producing limited-run, high-value pieces. With printing speeds up to 40 millimeters per second and layer thicknesses between 0.3 and 3 millimeters, material costs stay low while output stays consistent. This machine lets small operators scale creativity without adding labor, turning ceramics into a repeatable, profitable process. Number 2. A dual laser engraver built for serious customization at real production speed. This system combines a 20-watt fiber laser for metals like gold, silver, brass, and steel with a 20-watt diode laser for wood, acrylic, and leather, all in one compact desktop unit. Engraving speeds reach up to 10,000 millimeters per second, and a built-in 16-megapixel smart camera automatically aligns each job. That means raw blanks, metal tags, jewelry, acrylic panels become sharp, professional engravings with minimal setup. You get true 3D embossing, ultra-clean cuts, and repeatable results. With its enclosed safety system and optional batch workflow, it delivers factory-level throughput without industrial complexity, perfect for creators who need power, accuracy, and non-stop output in a small space. Number 3. A 9-tray electric food dehydrator built for homesteaders, micro-batch brands, and online snack sellers. With 15 square feet of drying space and 600 watts of power, its patented horizontal airflow system dries every tray evenly. No rotation, no babysitting. It produces consistent, nutrient-rich jerky, fruit leather, vegetables, and pet treats while preserving flavor, texture, and enzymes. The compact countertop footprint makes it practical for small kitchens, while output stays professional every batch. Raw materials can cost as little as $2.50 per 3-ounce jerky pack, yet the finished product rivals specialty retail. This is how small operators produce uniform, high-margin snacks that sell in both health-conscious and pet markets. Number 4. A candle-making kit that turns a kitchen counter into a clean, professional candle studio. Its electric hot plate melts 100% soy wax with LED temperature control. No stove, no mess, no guessing. The kit includes jars, essential oils, dyes, wicks, gift boxes, and all necessary tools. Each 8-ounce candle burns clean, smells refined, and looks retail-ready. Ideal for hobbyists, Etsy sellers, and eco-conscious brands, it allows full customization while staying beginner-friendly. With production rates of 6 to 8 candles per hour, it transforms a simple craft into a high-margin creative business. Number 5. A button maker machine that turns artwork into durable, glossy metal badges in seconds. This compact, installation-free press creates 2.25-inch buttons using a swivel-mounted die that keeps every design perfectly centered. With a production speed of 60 to 100 badges per hour and a per-unit cost around 25 cents, these micro-runs often resell for $3 to $5. Schools, clubs, festivals, and small brands all rely on custom pins, making micro runs fast, profitable, and reliable. For anyone turning ideas into physical merch, this machine delivers real business potential in a minimal footprint. Number 6. The Gemini 2 Electric Die Cutting and Embossing Machine. Built for serious makers, it cuts cardstock, foil, vinyl, and even layered fabric in just 10 to 15 seconds on a full 9 by 12.5-inch platform. For Etsy sellers and boutique stationers, it eliminates inconsistent manual cuts and wasted materials. The result is uniform, professional quality output from a home workspace, ideal for scaling creative products without scaling frustration. Number 7. The RIIAI Tufting Gun Starter Kit, a 2-in-1 cut-and-loop pile machine that transforms yarn into modern, textured rugs. With adjustable speed, a detachable scissor head, and an included trimmer, it delivers clean, sculpted details most beginners struggle to achieve. A 2-by-2-foot rug takes just a few hours and costs around $15 in materials, yet customized rugs often sell for about $70. For creators and home studios, this kit opens the door to one-of-a-kind decor pieces buyers actively seek. Number 8. A fully automatic cup sealing machine designed for speed and consistency. It feeds, aligns, seals, and ejects cups every 3 seconds, supporting paper and plastic cups from 90 to 95 millimeters. For bubble tea shops, cafes, and delivery-focused businesses, it eliminates leaks, speeds service, and upgrades presentation, turning every drink into a sealed, professional product. Number 9. The Bloonsy Balloon Stuffing Machine, built to turn ordinary balloons into premium gift displays. Its oversized chamber fits toys, plush gifts, and custom inserts, while the electric pump reduces stuffing time to minutes. Event planners, gift shops, and e-commerce sellers use this machine to create visually striking, high-margin products that stand out instantly and photograph beautifully. Number 10. The Prime Creations Soap Making Kit simplifies professional quality soap production. Melt, color, scent, pour, and cut. Everything needed is included, from soap base and fragrances to cutters and shrink wrap packaging. Each batch produces 16 uniform, gift-ready bars in about an hour. Fully customizable and visually polished, it's ideal for boutique sellers who want artisan quality without complex equipment. Number 11. Nacho Cheese Warmer, a compact commercial snack solution. Dual heating keeps snacks warm and crisp for hours, while the illuminated glass display turns simple chips into impulse buys. Holding up to 10 pounds, it's perfect for concession stands, pop-ups, and events. A 4-ounce serving costing 40 cents can sell for $3, making this a high-margin, low-effort revenue booster. Number 12. A 4-nozzle automatic liquid filling machine built for precision and speed. With 4 peristaltic pumps, a conveyor system, and infrared sensors, it fills thin liquids cleanly and consistently, 1 to 4 bottles at a time. Producing up to 1,200 bottles per hour, it transforms small batch liquids into uniform, retail-ready products without manual error. Number 13. A powder filling machine designed for accuracy and efficiency. It doses dry powders from 1 to 200 grams with tight precision, producing up to 720 units per hour. Spice blends, coffee, teas, and cosmetic powders go from hand-weighed to professionally packaged, giving small brands big brand polish with minimal investment. Number 14. The Cricut Easy Press Mini, built for tiny and curved surfaces. Its ceramic-coated plate and precision tip solve one of the biggest customization problems: uneven heat on small products. From baby shoes to hats and plush items, this compact press unlocks high-margin micro products that standard presses simply can't handle. Number 15. A 3-axis CNC router built for makers who want professional results at home. With a rigid aluminum frame and precision rails, it cuts wood, acrylic, and even soft aluminum with repeatable accuracy. Custom signs, cutting boards, and branded gifts cost around $15 to make and often sell for 5 times that. This machine turns a home workspace into a true micro-factory. Number 16. A single-needle embroidery machine that brings stitched texture to small brands. With app-based design control and a compact hoop, it produces clean embroidery on shirts, hats, towels, and denim. With startup costs under $600, creators can replace flat vinyl with premium stitching, turning simple garments into high-value products customers gladly pay for. And that's the list. If you're serious about building a small business on a realistic budget, these machines prove you don't need a warehouse or a huge loan to get started. You just need the right tools and the right ideas. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to support the channel by liking the video and subscribing for more deep dives into profitable small business equipment. And if you want to explore any of these machines further, you'll find everything organized and easy to check out below. Start small, build smart, and I'll see you in the next one.